Switchblades.tv presents available at assistedknife.com. Roadsideimports.com presents the BOKER Kalashnikov All Silver Edition. The BOKER Kalashnikov automatic switchblade push button was designed by Detmer Pole. This knife features a lightweight aluminum handle, 7.5 inches open, 4.25 inches closed, with a 3.25 inch blade, stainless steel. Each knife comes with a pocket clip, silver Teflon coated off-8 stainless steel plain edge drop point blade, and gray aluminum finger groove handle. Available at assistedknife.com. Got questions? I got answers. Email me at jb@roadsideimports.com